Today's video is going to be extremely useful for you, and this is a technique that everyone should know. This is highly effective used move, and if you don't know how to deal with it, can put you in a dangerous situation. In street fight, a very common attack is when someone tries to take you down by placing his leg behind your leg while grabbing your shoulder and then forcing you to the ground like this way. In this video, I will show you how to defend yourself from this attack. So make sure you watch this video very carefully. I often see people comment that these techniques don't work. The main reason is that they don't practice properly. Any technique will work if you train it the right way and practice it again and again. Focus on your movement, your balance, and your timing. If you practice with accuracy and consistency, this technique will definitely work. Now let's get started the technique. So let's start the video. As soon as your opponent grabs your shoulder from the inside and tries to take you down by placing their leg behind yours like this, the first thing you need to do is quickly move your back leg further behind to improve your balance. At the same time, the leg that your opponent has trapped, you need to immediately pull it out and place it in the front, just like you can see in the video. Now quickly bring your back leg forward and place it in front of your opponent knee. As you can see, this breaks his balance. Then push him forward and he will fall down easily. This way you can take control of the situation. Guys, now I'll show you this technique from the other side so you can understand better. When he grabs you like this, keep your leg back. Step number 1. Now step 2, out your leg. Step number 3, keep your leg front of his knee. Now throw it down like this. Guys, I'm going to show you this technique real situation, how it works or not. Yes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more practical self-defense techniques. Stay safe, stay strong. See you in the next video. Thank you.